Welcome everyone. Today I'm excited to guide you through a gentle, powerful 10-minute chair workout designed specifically for joint pain relief. Whether you're experiencing mild discomfort, navigating chronic arthritis, or simply prefer a low-impact option to keep moving, this workout will help you maintain flexibility, boost mobility, and encourage pain-free movement, all without ever leaving your chair. Before we start, make sure you subscribe for more wellness, healthy living, and pain management techniques tailored for you. Let's begin by acknowledging how important it is to stay active, even when joint pain gets in the way. Movement acts like lubrication for the joints. It can ease stiffness, reduce discomfort, and even improve your overall mood. So give yourself a pat on the back for showing up today. You're truly prioritizing your well-being. Now, let's talk about what you'll need for this workout. A sturdy chair, one without wheels, is best. Put on comfortable clothes and keep a bottle of water nearby. If you have light hand weights or resistance bands, feel free to have them on hand, though everything I'm about to show you can be done with nothing but your body weight and a bit of motivation. Before we jump in, a quick note about safety. Always move at your own pace. If any exercise feels uncomfortable or causes pain, simply skip it or opt for the gentler modification I'll offer. Listen to your body, and remember your range of motion and comfort are more important than perfectly copying my movements. Take a moment to sit tall in your chair, feet flat on the floor, knees bent at a 90-degree angle, hands gently resting on your thighs. Let's get started with our warm-up. Warm up, awakening your joints and muscles. Let's begin by loosening the neck and upper body, the perfect way to prepare for what's ahead. Start by gently tilting your right ear toward your right shoulder, holding for a moment, then switching sides, left ear toward the left shoulder. Let's do this together for 4 gentle repetitions on each side. Now move on to neck circles. Lower your chin gently to your chest. Imagine you're tracing a slow, gentle circle in the air with your chin. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Roll your neck twice clockwise, and then twice in the opposite direction. Can you feel that stretch? Bring your chin back to a neutral position, sitting upright. Let's shrug those shoulders. Lift your shoulders up toward your ears, as if you're saying, "I don't know," and hold for a second. Then let them drop down with a gentle exhale. Repeat 5 times, connecting each movement to your breath. Next, let's prepare our spine. Turn your head and shoulders gently to the right, holding the armrest of your chair or the side of your seat. Feel the twist through your middle and lower back. Hold for a breath, then return to center and switch sides, back and forth, 2 times each side. Reach both arms overhead and take a deep breath in, stretching up tall. Then as you exhale, gently lower the arms down. Next, place your right hand on your left knee, your left arm overhead, and lean to your right, enjoying a gentle side bend, opening through the ribcage and waist. Repeat to the left, reaching with your right arm. Let's do this 2 more times on each side. Take a moment to notice how you're feeling. These gentle movements increase blood flow, wake up muscles and joints, and signal to your body that now is the time to move. Lower body joint stretches. Now let's focus on the lower body. Releasing tension in the legs and hips can have a powerful effect on how your knees and back feel. Begin with ankle circles. Lift your right foot just off the floor and gently circle your ankle clockwise, then counterclockwise, 5 times each way. Switch to your left foot and repeat. This simple move can make a big difference, especially if you're sitting for long periods or experience stiffness in your ankles and feet. Next up, toe taps. Place both feet flat on the floor, then lift your toes up while keeping your heels planted. Lower them and repeat 10 times. Feel the stretch in your shins and the activation in your calves. Let's try some knee extensions. Sit tall, hands on the sides of your chair for support. Extend your right leg, straightening your knee as much as is comfortable, and flex your ankle to point your toes up. Hold for a moment, then slowly lower your foot to the floor. Alternate legs, lifting and lowering, 10 times per side. If you're able, try some seated calf raises. Plant both feet on the floor, then press up onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels. Hold at the top, then lower back down. Repeat 10 times. This wakes up the calf muscles and encourages healthy circulation. Now seated marches. Keeping your torso upright, lift one knee at a time, as if you're marching in place, alternating from right to left. Keep your tummy gently engaged, and go for 20 slow marches, 10 per leg. Remember, if at any time a movement causes discomfort, reduce your range of motion, or simply pause as needed. Each person's mobility is unique, and over time, gentle persistence leads to improvement. Upper body and core activation. Time to wake up the upper body and activate the core, supporting posture and overall joint alignment. Start with seated arm reaches. Extend both arms out to your sides at shoulder height. Reach your right arm further out, like you're trying to touch something just beyond your grasp. Then relax, then reach with your left arm. Alternate reaches 10 times on each side. This movement opens up your shoulders and stretches through the side body. Let's try some overhead stretches. Bring both arms overhead on an inhale, lifting tall, then lower them on an exhale. Repeat 5 times. Notice how this opens your chest and shoulders. For a gentle chest opener, interlace your fingers behind your back if you can, or simply press your hands back on the seat behind you and pull your shoulder blades gently together. Hold for a breath or two. If reaching behind your back feels uncomfortable, simply rest your hands on your lap and focus on pulling your shoulder blades together, opening the chest. Now let's activate our core. Place your hands lightly on your shoulders. Inhale, then gently twist your torso to the right, keeping your hips still and feet pressed into the ground. Exhale and return to center. Inhale and twist left. Exhale back to center. Repeat 5 times each direction. This movement strengthens your core muscles, supporting spinal health and stability. For those wanting just a bit more challenge, practice hugging your belly button in toward your spine as you exhale. This activates the deepest layers of your abdominal muscles, supporting better posture and relieving strain on your lower back. Take a breath and notice the energy flowing through your upper body. These gentle exercises help relieve stiffness in the neck, back and shoulders, common areas for discomfort among those with joint pain. Full body chair movements. Now that you're feeling warm and energized, let's integrate gentle movements that work several joints and muscles at once. These will enhance overall mobility and functional strength. Let's start with sit-to-stand movements, a great way to strengthen your legs and hips, which are crucial for daily activities. Make sure your chair does not have wheels. Plant your feet firmly on the ground, feet hip-width apart. Cross your arms over your chest, or keep them on the chair for support. Gently lean forward, use your leg muscles, and stand up as much as is comfortable. Then sit back down with control. If standing isn't possible, remain seated and do glute squeezes. Contract your glutes buttock muscles, hold for 3 seconds, and release. Repeat either version 8 times. Next, combine your arms and legs for some seated arm and leg lifts. With feet flat and knees bent, lift your right knee and your left arm at the same time. Hold briefly, then switch sides, left knee with right arm. Alternate for 16 reps total. This move boosts coordination and activates both upper and lower body. Now, let's try a rowing movement. Hold your arms out in front at chest height, palms facing each other. Pull your elbows back, as if rowing a boat, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Then reach arms forward again. Want more challenge? Hold light weights or a resistance band as you row. Repeat 10 times. This builds upper body strength and supports healthy posture. For a gentle pressing motion, hold arms up at shoulder height, elbows bent, press both arms overhead, as if pushing open a heavy window, then lower back down. Perform this at your own pace for 10 repetitions. This is excellent for shoulders without adding strain. If you have resistance bands, you can anchor them under your feet and add gentle bicep curls or triceps presses. Remember to keep movements slow and controlled, focusing on your breathing and joint comfort. Cool down and joint relaxation. Every joint relief routine needs a gentle, mindful closing. This lets your body absorb the movement and transition back into your day. Begin with a gentle forward fold over your knees. Sitting tall, inhale, then as you exhale, slowly hinge forward at the hips, allowing your wrists or hands to rest gently on your knees or shins. Drop your head and let your neck relax. Take 3 slow breaths here, feeling your back and hips stretch. Roll back up to sitting one vertebra time, using your hands to push off your legs if needed. Now, gently stretch your wrists and fingers. Extend your right arm, palm facing out, and use your left hand to gently pull back on your fingers for a mild wrist stretch. Repeat on the opposite side. Finish by bringing both hands to your lap, closing your eyes if that feels comfortable, and taking 3 deep cleansing breaths. With each inhale, gather positivity and energy. With each exhale, release tension and pain. Thank your body for showing up, moving, and finding a little more freedom today. You did it. Even small bouts of movement, done regularly, can have a tremendous impact over time, easing joint pain, increasing flexibility, and giving you back your confidence to move freely. The benefits of this chair workout don't stop at pain relief. It's also a wonderful way to boost circulation, improve mood, and increase independence. If you're coping with joint pain from arthritis, injury, or simply from time spent at a desk, remember, you're not alone. Consistency is key. Do this routine a few times each week, and you should start noticing lasting changes. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Every bit of movement counts. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and click subscribe for more science-based wellness content to support your healthiest, happiest self. Please leave a comment below. What's one area of your body you struggle with most? I'd love to create more tailored routines to help you achieve your personal goals. If you have questions, feedback, or want to share your progress, join our community. Let's support each other's well-being journey together. As a quick recap, here's what we covered today. A heartwarming warm-up to mobilize the neck, shoulders, and spine. Lower body stretches for ankles, knees, and hips. Core and upper body activation to encourage better posture and relieve tension. Integrated full body moves to build real-world strength and flexibility. A mindful cool-down to seal in your progress and bring relaxation. Keep moving, stay positive, and always listen to your body. You deserve to feel your best, inside and out. Thank you for joining me for this 10-minute chair workout for joint pain relief. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, be well and stay strong.